video going?
Yeah.
Okay. You might remember me from Team Taquito. Well,
nah, dude, no one knows you.
Because no one watches that anyways. But I officially quit Team Taquito due to personal reasons. I'm not telling you guys. So don't ask me. But anyways, so I'm in another team now. And it's pretty good. What's our team name, Nick?
Stoners Wreaking Havoc.
And like...
Isn't that awesome?
SRH, man.
Dude, now we're gonna get sued. You say Stoners Wreaking Havoc.
Oh, hey, Courtney.
Wow.
Okay, anyways.
Go,
so we just wanted to I just wanted to tell you that fuck you, Skylar. I quit.
Me too.
But I'm still gonna be in Team Vito Tanico. You're just kicked out.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Okay. We love you all, and
don't you fucking hate that shit?
dude, I'm gonna